Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to export Excel to PDF or how to convert Excel to PDF files. Also don't forget to check out other videos, how to save Word file to PDF. That was our previous video. Also check out other videos on this channel on how to do a lot of stuff for free. So install Avast antivirus, convert PDF to Word and Word to PDF, install Firefox, and download it and install Windows 10 completely free on a USB. So make sure you guys watch this video throughout, because we will be going through 3 methods on how to do that, and you can use whichever method is fine with you. So let's get going. So first method, we have 3 simple files. So this is one of the first basic files that I created. This is just a random file that I just made up here. So let's say you have a file and you want to export this to PDF. So the way number one we can do this is go and click on File, and you can click on Save As, and once you find Save As, go ahead and click on the Browse icon. Once you click on the Browse icon, what we're going to do is go ahead and click on the Desktop icon. And desktop icon, we're going to go ahead and create a new folder here, so we make sure that all the files that we'll be doing, it will be in here. So once you see this, we're going to name it Excel to PDF simply, and hit enter and click open, and we're going to name this file let's see, once the folder allows me to here do that, let's do file-1, and we're going to save this as the format is PDF. So go ahead and come down here and find PDF in here, and go ahead and hit save. Now as you see, it's saving the file, and it'll open up the file. So as you see, this is one way to save PDF, but you may say, wait, well, I did want the lines and the grid lines that are available in this, so but to show up also on the PDF. How do I do that? So it's very simple to do. If you go to, let's say, under page layout, then you can, under grid lines, you have to select view and print select on both, and then you can save this file again as a PDF file. So go ahead and click on Save As, browse. We will browse to the same folder again, desktop, our folder that we created, Excel to PDF. Click on that, and this time we're going to name it file-2, and under the save type as, click on PDF and hit save. So as you see, the file 1 is already there, and we will hit this file as save as, so save option 2. So as you see, now you will actually see the grid lines actually popping up. On the first one, we did not see the grid lines. Okay, so that was example number 1 on how to do this. Example number 2, I've downloaded an online template of a calendar. So we're going to try to save this calendar as a PDF. So you may create a file that you want to export to PDF and share it with other people. So the way to do this is go ahead and click on File, and right here, what we're going to do is go ahead and click on Print. Now this is Windows 10. This I'm pretty sure this is available with the Windows 8 and Windows 10. I'm not sure about Windows 7, but you may see, if you click a drop down here, you may see an option for Microsoft Print to PDF option. If you click on that, this basically converts any document that you have to PDF. Now here you can play around with the settings if you wanted landscape, or if you wanted the other way, if you wanted a specific size, you guys can play around with that, margins and all that good stuff. And you can shrink it to one page or all of that. So, but basically go ahead and select Microsoft Print to PDF, and what we're going to hit is going to hit print, and at this point it's going to open that option. So again, we're going to go to the desktop. It's already in the folder, but again, I'm showing you guys Excel to PDF, and we're going to name this file here file-3. And simply click on it. Already saves the file as PDF. So go ahead and click on save, and you will see it popping up as saving as PDF. But now the one thing you will see in here, once it kind of saves and opens up the file, so Excel to PDF and file-3, if we open it up here, there you go. As you see, this is now converted to a PDF format. And the final and the last one I'm going to show you is, we're going to look at a completely different file. This is a purchase requisition form for a college. And let's say you want to print this to PDF. How do you do that? Okay, so a last method is very simple. Go ahead and click on File, and go ahead and click on export this time. And once you click on export, it gives you an option right here: create a PDF or XPS document or change file type. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on create a PDF or XPS document. And in this case, again, we're going to go back to the desktop and the folder that we created, Excel to PDF, and this time we're going to name this as file-4, and go ahead and click on publish. Now it doesn't say save, publish, publish and save. In this case, it's kind of same. So as you guys can see, that document that we had is basically now converted to a PDF. So again, also you can also do this the same other way, basically save or save as option, and browsing again to your desktop and saving this to file-5, I guess, and naming that PDF. So it works either way, but whatever works easiest for you, and depending upon what version of Office do you have, one of these options is going to work for you guys. So again, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Make sure you don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below. I will be answering all the questions that come up. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.